Records are the beating heart of what makes the Now platform useful to us. The main method for adding data into the Now platform is through a form. This is a form in the standard user interface. Here's a portal form. And this is a form in the agent workspace. They serve different purposes, and all the data is entered into our database. Let's look at a typical form in the standard user interface. I'm going to create an incident, so I will filter that here. There are a couple of ways to display a form. First, from the Application Navigator. In the Incidents application there is a Create New module. Here's the form for adding an incident. Suppose we're looking at a list of incidents, such as if we click All. In the list there is a New button, which also displays the same form. Each form is designed according to what data is needed. For example, a form to create a new incident is going to require fields different from those of other modules. Here's an example of an incident form. This is a HR case form. This is a change request. Yet, different forms have a few common elements. First, all forms have this Additional Actions menu. After we save, there'll be more options. Here's the icon to attach files to this record. Here's where attachments appear. The gray fields can't be edited. Those fields with an asterisk are mandatory. Without these completed, the form cannot be saved. I have the minimum details I need, so I will submit this record. This saves the form and returns us to the previous screen. Access the record to add more information. Below this group of fields are tabs, which are also different for each record. We can change how these are displayed in Settings and Forms. Here I have a single view for all the fields. I'll return to the tabbed view. Here is the place to add notes related to the record. Please add all the details about changes you've made, or anything preventing the record from being resolved here. This button toggles the way the comment fields are displayed, either as a single field or to fields. Work notes are available to others who can access this record, such as your colleagues. Additional comments will be available to customers and end users. To see a history of the notes, click Activity Stream. If we need people to receive notifications when notes are entered, add those people to either the watch list or work notes list. I'll add people by opening the field and locating them. I'll click Unlock. Search for users to add here. I also have an email address to add. Lock this field. Now I'll do the same for work notes list. Both Update and Save will save the record. Save does that and keeps the record visible. Update saves the record and then returns us to the previous screen. This record can relate to other records through reference fields, those with a magnifying glass icon. This icon gives us the ability to search for records and select them to form that relationship. For example, in this field, I'll select the magnifying glass and then use this list to enter the data. It's not necessary to click the magnifying glass. If you know what you're looking for, type a few characters in and matching options will display. Type a single asterisk and then characters to give the search focus. Always be sure to save. That's how to create a record on the Now platform.